She's very pretty and colourful.
Super positive, never sad.
Wonderful woman. Big heart, yeah.
And how would you describe her? Beautiful?
She better say beautiful. Yeah, she's very pretty and colourful.
Pretty and colorful.
Colourful, look.
Wow. Very stylish, right? How would you describe your partner?
Beautiful,
Yeah.
but mainly, I think, just a generous heart, you know?
Yeah.
Big heart, yes.
Big heart here.
Nice, yes.
How would you describe your partner?
Wonderful woman.
Yeah, what else?
Loving, caring,
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is the person who can travel a lot with me and super positive, never sad.
Can you describe her for me, please? What do you think of her?
She is blonde,
Yeah. Beautiful?
beautiful,
Yeah.
very pretty eyes.
Yeah, pretty eyes.
Yes. She's tiny.
Yeah.
Her personality is bold
Yeah.
and exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope this video has been useful for you guys. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. And now, bye!